Guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes. Look at this cheeky little devil. It's an XSR700 finished off in the 60th anniversary colours. It's like a bumblebee going down road. It's gorgeous. I love these with the speed blocks on there. Really retro feel to it. Especially being an XSR, they look great. And obviously being a 700 from Yamaha, they sound fantastic as well. This one is a 2018 on a 67 plate. Only done 842 miles. Belters of a bike these. Digital displays, tells you how much fuel's in them. With a cheeky little aftermarket exhaust system, they sound mental as well. Just so you know, we do provide aftermarket exhaust systems for these, so if you do want this bike and you want a little bit more noise, we can provide that for you. Anyway, let's give it a start up because they sound great anyway. Great, absolutely fantastic engines these, really punchy. You know, if you're wanting it for commuting or just a bit of fun, does both of them. Anyway guys, leave you to it. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes, subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.